Okay guys, now I will show you how to fix the Z axis. So already we made an assembly for Z axis. So what you are supposed to do? So here the base, the entire base plate has to fix on this. Make sure that the entire assembly has to fix at the center position. Right? Already I made the center position with respect to that. So I am fixing this assembly in the center position. Okay. So entire total about 360 is there. This is 80, 100. The entire length is 400 and exactly at the 200 position I am fixing the Z axis. So now put the screws. So make sure that all the wires has to come in backward direction so that here so we can fix the all the control boards which is required for the assembly. Fine. So now the bottom portion is done. So one more, to give support to the other end, free end of this screw rod. So we have used this kind of arrangement to give support to the other free end of this system. So I am gonna fix this one also. Okay, make sure that both the alignment should proper. Done. So that it will move properly. So the X and Y, Z, X, Y and Z arrangement is done. Fine. So in next video I will show you how to make a table and the electronics part assembly.